Samsung and Huawei started the fight of giants in the foldable cell phone market. And in the first round, it seemed like Huawei was getting the better of it. Huawei Mate X had a much better final product, a less rustic finish, and people were more positive with Huawei Mate X than with the Galaxy Fold, which was delayed on the eve of its launch due to critical issues involving the foldable screen. In 2020, however, we saw that the South Korean did a much better job with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, while Huawei is in a bad shape now, working full of sanctions because of the US government. Perhaps that is why a hands-on of the supposed Mate X2 reveals that the product has changed a little. A shot from Chinese blogger shows us the alleged Mate X2 in its fully unfolded state, and it looks just like the Mate XS, which in turn was nearly identical to the Mate X. We can observe the foldable bears the same screen protector as its predecessor, and it appears to be another outward folding solution. The image does not show the rear, which may be the highlight of this new generation, but we will have to wait a little longer to see if this is confirmed. According to other rumors, the Mate X2 will feature the same 8-inch screen as the Mate X, alongside a rear-mounted camera setup. The foldable is also expected to launch with the Kirin 9000 chipset, just like the Mate 40 series. There's talk we wouldn't see the Mate X2 hit shelves until next year, but that isn't stopping the leaks from coming in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.